Hello, Assalamu alaikum. You are welcome to Travel with Saida. Today my topic is apply for the e-visa for GCC countries. So let's go. First of all, you open the Google page and write the Saudi visit visa. So you can see these are so many websites. You can click on this. Then the website is open. I also attached the website name on my description. You can click on that and open the website as well. So the website look like this. Once the website is open, scroll down and search apply for e-visa. Now you see this is a e-visa and click on the apply by e-visa. Once you click on the apply, the new web interface is open. Then scroll down and see the GCC e-visa and click on that apply. When you click on the apply now, the new web interface is open. The new page is open now. Now you can change the language of the website. I can change it English. If your language is Arabic, then remain it is same. Then if you have the English language, then change it in English. After changing the language, the user can create the account. Now you can scroll down and you can see this email address and the sign in option and also the register option. So you can click on the register option. Once you can click on the register option, the new registration page is open. You must register before you apply for the visa application. After registration, they send the link to your email address. Click the link and your account is activated. So I already registered, so I sign it directly. The pages look like that, and now you can apply for the new application. Now you can click on add a new applicant. When you click on the new applicant, then this page is open. In this page, they are telling you online e-payment service agreement. You can read all these points step by step before you proceed further. After you can click on the agree, the new agreement page is open. You can scroll down and read it carefully. After read all this agreement, then press the agree button. After press the agree button, the new visa application is open and you can add your all information in this page. For example, visa type, what kind of visa type you want to apply. You want to apply tourist visa. After apply tourist visa, there is a transport name, what kind of transport you want to select. I want to select open transport. When you select the open transport, you also get the visa because so many people want to travel by air, by land, by sea. So it is the multiple options. So you can select by one. If you don't want to select, then click it open. After that, select the city, which city you want to travel. I want to travel to Doha, so I select the Doha. After select the city you want to travel, then come on the personal information. In personal information, you can write your first name and last name. After write your name, you must select your photo and the photo must be the white background. And also check the size because every website have the different size of the photo. So you must keep in mind. After complete this part, you can come on the other part. In this part, you are required your nationality. Which country you live from. Once you can select your nationality, you can see the options is down here. One thing I tell you here, when you can apply your passport and visa, both are the more than the 6 month time for expire. You can select the third option because you are the permanent GCC country resident. After select the third option, you can enter the resident card number. If you have the Kuwait, you have the UAE, you have the Doha, whatever country you have the permanent resident card, you can write it here. After write the resident card number, then you can enter the validity of your card. Your card have must more than 3 months time. After that, you can enter the country name and the occupation you have on the resident card. If you live in Dubai, if you live in Doha, if you live in Qatar, Kuwait, whatever country, you can write your country name and the resident card occupation. Like if you accountant, engineer, whatever you are, you can write it here. Now scroll down and upload the scanned copy of your passport. In here, I want to tell you one thing more. The upload file must be in the JPG or PNG form. And make sure the file sizes must be 1 megabyte. After that, you can upload the second file. Then enter your passport number, passport expiry date, passport issue date, in which country the passport issue, what type of the passport is, place of birth and the country of birth. Then write the marital status, your gender, your occupation, and the last you must enter the KSA resident address where you can stay in your visit. If you stay in the hotel, you enter the hotel address. If you stay from the relatives, so you enter the relative address. I can hide all these things because it is not permissible to show your personal information on the YouTube. Now scroll down and enter which city you want to land, like Medina, Jeddah, Riyadh. And next you can enter the date of your visit. You want to enter the Medina, Makkah, and whatever your city you want to enter. Now you can see GCC resident have the multiple entries and this visa is valid for 365 days and your stay is no more than 90 days. And if you want to perform Umrah this visit, you can select the yes. If you don't want to perform Umrah, then select no. And next option is if you have traveled last 5 years in other countries, then press yes. And if you don't travel any other countries, then press no. If you travel the last 5 years, then press the add button and clarify your 5-year visit of the other countries. When you press the add button, the new page is open. In this, you can write which country you have visit and the purpose of visit, and also add the date, which date to what date you have visit, like for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. After write your history, then press the save button. If you have the more travel history, then do the same procedure. Click on the add button and add the history of your visit and then save. After your application is completed, then go to the CAPTCHA and add the CAPTCHA digits and then press save. When you press the save, the pop-up window is appear and you want to agree to submit your application, then press the continue. After continue, the next page will be open. That is the medical insurance page. This page, you can fill your details, your expected entry date, your PO box number and your current city where you can living now, your zip code, your email address, your mobile number. After complete the all steps, then scroll down and answer the following questions. In here they are written. If you have any medical condition previously, then say yes or no. You have any disability due to an accident, say yes and no. And do you have any congenital disorder, say yes and no. After complete all this procedure, press save button. And when you press the save button, they can take you another page. In this section, you see there's a medical insurance information for visit and transit visas. Available medical insurance companies. You can choose one company and press the save button. And you can see there's a different price option. You can choose one option and save it. When you save it, they can take you another page, payment information page. In this page, you can see the 4 categories. Number 1, application fee, medical insurance service fee, medical insurance fee, visa fees. You can pay all these fees step by step. First, you pay application fee, then you pay medical insurance service fee, then medical insurance fee. At the end, you pay the visa fee. In this page, you can pay. This is the payment option. You can add your card details here and pay the amount. Currently, there is no single payment option is available, but in the future, they can provide the one payment option. After complete the all 4 steps, you can go on the main page. You can see your application status on that page. In here, you can see the application process is complete. Before go to the main page, I would like to tell you the amount you have to pay for the visa. In this page, you can see there's a total amount $114 you have to pay. You know there's the 4 categories you can pay separately. Application fee, medical insurance, visa fee, visa fees. So the total amount is $114. Now this is the main page. You can see the main page. My application is already approved. So you can download your visa is here, and they also send you the visa copy on your email address. But sometimes it takes the 1 hour, 2 hours. They can send you visa immediately, but sometimes it takes 24 hours, 48 hours. So be patient for the visa because so many people apply nowadays. So it takes some time. Now I show you how the eVisa look like. This is eVisa. I hide the picture because it is not allowed to show the pictures and your personal information on the YouTube channel. So I can hide all these stuffs. But you see, eVisa generally look like that. I complete all the information. If you have any question, you can ask me on the comments box. Hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. So remember me in your prayers, and we will meet in the next video.